Hello dear students, welcome to your channel Online Tuitions with Nikhil Goyal. So let us start our topic Heron's formula, exercise 12.1 NCERT question number 2. Our question number 2 is the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. एक फ्लाईओवर की ट्रायंगल साइड वॉल्स जो उसकी साइड वॉल्स होती हैं उसकी ट्रायंगुलर शेप की फॉर एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए एड्स देने के लिए यूज़ की गई हैं. The sides of the walls are 122 मीटर 22 मीटर एंड 120 मीटर. वो जो ट्रायंगुलर साइड की उसकी वॉल्स हैं लाइक दिस, जो ये ट्रायंगुलर साइड की वॉल्स बचती हैं वो एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए यूज़ की गई हैं और उसकी साइड्स हमें क्या क्या दी हुई हैं 122 मीटर 120 मीटर एंड 22 मीटर. द एडवर्टीजमेंट yield एन अर्निंग ऑफ ₹5000 पर मीटर स्क्वायर पर ईयर. और उस एड से हर एक साल में 5000 पर मीटर स्क्वायर उसके 1 मीटर स्क्वायर के एरिया से 5000 रुपीज़ की अर्निंग होती है. अ कंपनी हायर्ड वन ऑफ इट्स वॉल, उसकी जो 4 वॉल्स हैं 2 वन साइड एंड 2 अदर साइड, उनमें से एक वॉल को एक कंपनी हायर करती है. देन फाइंड हाउ मच रेंट डिड इट पे, तो उसे कितना रेंट पे करना पड़ेगा. सो हमारे पास सबसे पहले ट्राइंगल की साइड्स पता है हमें. Then the sides will be A 122, B 22 and C 120. So first of all we will find its semi perimeter by using S by 2. So S is A plus B plus C and by 2 A 122 plus 22 plus 120 by 2. So it will be 264 by 2 and the semi perimeter will come out 132 centimeter. After this we have to just find the area of the wall, area of triangular wall. Just a minute. So area of triangular wall will be equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That will be equal to S is 132 and 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22, 132 minus 120. So 132 into 132 minus 22 10, 132 minus 22 110 and 132 minus 20 that will be 112. Now you will have to just make factors. So here comes the factors. Let's start from the easy side. 110 will be 11 into 10 and 132 will be equal to 11 into 12. So last part is left 112. Sorry, it is just 12. Now arrange the factors in pair of 2. First pair 11, second pair 10 and third pair 12. Then the square root will come out 11 into 12 into 10. 11 from one pair, 12 from second pair, 10 from third pair. One number from each pair and the answer will be 1320 centimeter square. This will be the just answer of area. After that you will have to find the rent. If 5000 per meter square is the rent for 1 year, you will have to find the rent for 3 months. So if rupees 5000 is the rent of 1 year, so how much rent he will have to pay? So we can turn it, if rent of 1 year or we can say 12 months is equal to rupees 5000 for 1 meter square is 5,000. So we will find first at all for 1 month. For 1 month it will be 5,000 by 12 for 1 meter square. For total area, that is 1320 meter square, will be total rent for 1 year will be, for 1 month will be 5,000 by 12 into 1320, and we will have to find for 3 months, so we will multiply this by 3 for total rent for 3 months. 5,000 by 12 into 1320 and into 3. So just multiply and divide. 3 into 4, 12. 4 3 is 12. 4 into 3, 12, 0. And you will have to just multiply 5,000 and 330. Your answer will be rupees this amount, 16,50,000 rupees for 3 months. Okay, because rupees 5,000 is for just 1 meter square, but your total area is 1320 meter squares. According to that, only for 3 months you will get this rent. This is the answer for your question. So this is your question number 2. Thanks and have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.